of something fine, like morning dew. Love will come again to you, like morning dew. Morning dew. Love is there when you open the door, and you step off the trail you knew before, through the streets and the houses of God you roam, and on their altars you lay your heart of stone, till all laughter is claws on your skin, and your moments of clarity scream the hell within. When you fade like a rose in the gloom, love waits outside your room, like more